Stop wasting your life on the manual content treadmill. The era of the solo creator is officially over. While you struggle with a single caption, we've deployed a swarm of autonomous AI agents. Welcome to algorithmic dominance. The truth is, the manual content treadmill is obsolete. You simply cannot keep up with the demands of modern social algorithms. Autonomous AI agents research, script, and distribute viral content simultaneously. This is the new standard, algorithmic dominance. Let's dive into why traditional content creation is a losing game in the rapidly evolving digital ecosystem. Traditional content creation is a losing game in the 2026 algorithmic landscape, where speed and iteration are everything. We are shifting from single-prompt chatbots to autonomous agentic workflows that think, critique, and execute strategies themselves. Human-led posting simply cannot compete with the 24/7 iteration speed and decentralized nature of AI swarms. It's time to build your own sovereign agent swarm. This requires specialized design and a precise operational structure. Your swarm consists of specialized roles. The trend scout identifies emerging niches, the narrative architect scripts the content, and the virality optimizer ensures maximum reach. We implement the handshake protocol, where agents autonomously critique each other's work. This guarantees high-quality, high-impact output without any human intervention. Our cutting-edge 2026 tech stack allows these autonomous entities to operate seamlessly and simultaneously across all major platforms. How do these swarms constantly improve? They operate within a perpetual self-engineering viral feedback loop. Agents use real-time data ingestion to pivot content strategy based on the latest 15-minute microtrends, a speed no human can match. The swarm deploys automated A/B testing, launching hundreds of variations to quickly find the winning hook and optimize engagement. The ecosystem is self-optimizing, learning from every like, share, and comment to refine future content and distribution strategies automatically. The real power is in the distribution. It's not enough to create viral content. You must command the distribution engine. Our swarms bypass shadow bans and algorithmic friction by expertly mimicking organic human engagement patterns. Agents orchestrate multi-platform dominance, adapting long-form narratives into short-form bursts, and managing community interaction while you sleep. This is more than just social media. It's a roadmap for scaling your autonomous influence empire. We outline the roadmap for moving from a single niche swarm to a powerful, multi-industry digital conglomerate. Deploy your first agent hive today to reclaim your time, dominate the feed, and build long-term brand authority through ethical high-speed automation.